What is the theme for 78th Independence Day? Viksit Bharat. Promote India's culture. Nation first, always first. None of the above. Answer. Viksit Bharat. The theme for the 78th Independence Day is Viksit Bharat, which aligns with the government's goal of transforming the country into a developed nation by 2047. When did British came to India? 1611, 1600, 1609, 1608. Answer. 1608. The British first came to India on 24th August 1608 via the port of Surat. They initially came to establish trade relations and set up factories for the East India Company. Which of the following is true regarding the ratio of the national flag? 3:3, 3:2, 3:1, 4:2. Answer. 3:2. The national flag shall be rectangular in shape. The ratio of the length to the height, width, of the flag shall be 3:2. For how many years India was under British rule? 200 years, 89 years, 190 years, 100 years. Answer. 200 years. The British first came to India in 1600, where they established their East India Company. After that, they gradually expanded their control over the Indian subcontinent. This went on until 1947, when India gained independence. So, the British ruled India for 200 years, solidifying their dominance over India. On Independence Day, the Prime Minister of India hoists a tricolour flag at the Purana Killa, Delhi; the Red Fort, Old Delhi; the Red Fort, Agra; the India Gate, New Delhi. Answer. The Red Fort, Old Delhi. India became free from British rule on 15 August 1947, and the first Prime Minister of independent India, P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru, hoisted the Indian national flag above Lahori Gate of Red Fort in Delhi. From that day, Prime Ministers of India hoist our tricolour flag at the Red Fort, Old Delhi. Who among the following was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence? Lord Mountbatten, Winston Churchill, Clement Attlee, Ramsay MacDonald. Answer. Clement Attlee. Clement Attlee was the Prime Minister of Britain at the time of independence. He served the post from 1945 to 1955. Who among the following was the first Governor-General of New Dominions of India until June 1948? Lord Mountbatten, C. Rajgopalachari, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Answer. Lord Mountbatten. Lord Mountbatten became the first Governor-General of the New Dominions of India until June 1948. He swore in Jawaharlal Nehru as the first Prime Minister of independent India. The famous quote, "A tryst with destiny," is given by Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Mahatma Gandhi, Abdul Kalam Azad. Answer. Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. First Prime Minister P.T. Jawaharlal Nehru said, "Long years ago, We made a tryst with destiny, and now the time comes when we shall redeem our pledge. At the stroke of the midnight hour, when the world sleeps, India will awake to life and freedom. Which of the following plans was known as the Partition Plan? Macaulay Plan, Attlee Announcement, Montagu-Chelmsford Reforms, Mountbatten Plan. Answer: Mountbatten Plan. Lord Mountbatten, the Viceroy of India in 1947, put forth the partition plan widely known as the Mountbatten Plan. The plan was accepted by Congress and the Muslim League. Which of the following are the extremist leaders? Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal. All of the above. Answer: all of the above. The extremist leaders were Lala Lajpat Rai, Bal Gangadhar Tilak, Bipin Chandra Pal, and Aurobindo Ghosh. Instead of the PPP, protest, prayer, and petition path, they emphasized self-reliance, constructive work, and Swadeshi.